Hey guys, this is QuickLearn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix an incoming call busy error on your iPhone. This video will be really easy and helpful, so make sure to watch until the end. This fix is for those devices who are experiencing phone is busy message when your iPhone is not really on call. So, swipe down to the control panel, turn off airplane mode, and turn off do not disturb. So once you do that, go to settings, and look for phone. Tap on notifications and make sure that this is turned on. And make sure that silence unknown callers is turned on. For the last solution is to make sure that the person calling you is not blocked in your phone. To check that, just go to blocked contacts. And these are some of the ways on fixing this error. I believe your issue will now be solved after doing all these steps. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.